Today we'll be opening some FIFA 16 packs. As you know, FIFA 16 is coming out in the September holidays. So yeah, lots of packs to open up. First pack we got Messi! Beautiful pack. We also got Luke Shaw. Apparently he got injured for 6 months. Yikes. In this pack we get Pepe. So yeah, I haven't been uploading a lot. Oh my god! Ibra and Valencia, that's sick card. Yeah, so I haven't been uploading a long time now because my computers crashed and all that. Next pack we got Zabaleta. And this pack we get Messi again! Where is my... Why are we getting Messi? We get Dimitriy Mustafi, Lasoga. He's pretty good. I used him in my career. We have Flores and Martial. That's what I want to hear. I love Martial. He's like really, really good for Man U now. And we get Godin. That's pretty good. Pretty good. That's pretty good. We got Griezmann. Yeah, Griezmann. Yeah, Griezmann. Then we got Diego Alves. Then we got Baka. That's pretty good. That is very good, actually. Maybe we can make... Oh, we got Sterling, yay. Come on, we can get Schweinsteiger. Yes. I haven't packed him any of my favourite Man U player. Ibra and Alaba. This is probably the best FIFA pack opening. Ibra again. I am just too good. I have the skills to get Ibra 3 times this pack and 2 times Messi. This is unbelievable. I'm done. This is so good. Please, no. Please don't. Please, I don't want another Messi. I have too much. Oh, please, no. We got Silva. That's pretty good. So, guys, tomorrow I'll be uploading a Minecraft video, which will be about Minecraft, and we'll be playing new server MC Central, and we'll be playing Team Skywars. It's got Bale. That's really, really good. No, not Messi. No. Oh, it's Ronaldo and Neuer and Ronaldo in the same pack. What a way to start off my... So this is my last pack now. And who are we going to get? We get Brilliant. Okay. Let me check this. See you guys.